Hello YouTube. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Windows 8, 10, and 11 for free. To start, go to your web browser, go to Google, and simply type download Windows, just like that. Now you should get a result with the title download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. This is what I want, what we want. Click here. Let me change the language. Alright, now over here, go to this section where it says create Windows 10 installation media and click download tool now. Save it to desktop and just open it. Let this load for a bit. Click accept. Now I just want the ISO file, so I'm going to click this, create installation media. Click next. And over here you can select your preferred language. Let's say I want in German, Deutsch, edition Windows 10, and then I'll just select, let's see, 64 architecture and click next. Now this setup allows you to download Windows and put in a USB flash drive, but I want to download the ISO file, so I'm going to select this option. I'm gonna say save it to desktop, call it Windows 10 German 64-bit. Save, and it should start downloading in a bit. And there we have it. Windows has downloaded. We can either burn the ISO to a DVD, but I'm just gonna click finish. And as you can see, we have our German edition Windows 10 now. I can either create a virtual machine and use this file to install Windows, or I can create a bootable USB stick. Let's say I want to use Rufus. I have my USB stick. Select, click this, and start. And yeah, that's how you basically download Windows 10. Now if you want to download Windows 8 and 11, simply go over here and erase 10 and type in, let's say, 8. Press enter, and you should get redirected to this website where you can download Windows 8.1 for free. Head over here, select your edition. Let's say I want 8.1, just 8.1, click confirm. Say I want in Chinese simplified, click confirm. And then over here, select your architecture. I have a 64-bit processor, so I'm going to select this. And yeah, save. Now I don't need this version, gonna cancel. If you want Windows 11, then erase 8 ISO and type in 11. Press enter and you should get here. Now over here you can go to this section, download Windows 11 ISO version. Click this, download, select the language. Let's say I want it in Russian, confirm, select my 64-bit and download. And yeah, that's how you do it basically. Let's see, has this copied yet? Okay. I don't think this is important, but you get the drill. And that will be it for today. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed this video, comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!